D. Just for fun, let's make our own plywood. To do that, we'll resaw some lumber, put our boards through the drum sander, glue them up along with a few dyed veneers, throw them in a vacuum bag, and the next day, I've got my plywood. Now to cut out our letter, we're using a compression bit. A compression bit is designed to work with laminated materials like plywood. It has both upcut and downcut sections that prevent the plywood's top and bottom veneers from chipping. To avoid chip out on the top veneer, we also need to use a lead-in and make our first pass depth 0.3 inches deep so that the upcut portion of the compression bit is below the top veneer when we begin cutting our letter. But if all goes well, we don't even need to sand the letter when it's finished.